If you struggle with making good YouTube thumbnails, there are only 3 questions you need to ask yourself. Watch this quick clip where I broke down those 3 questions for one of my clients. So this is what I do when I am really unsure about a thumbnail, okay? And I try to do this as well as I can. So who is this video for? Write down in 1 or 2 sentences. This is important. I know you'll want to skip this, but write it down in as short as possible. Who is this video for exactly, specifically?
So like the heartbreak videos for someone that recently went through a heartbreak.
Why should they watch this video? What's the biggest benefit they'll receive from watching it?
To get over their heartbreak. To go from sad, miserable to like feeling better, happy.
Okay. Can your thumbnail tease the emotion that someone will feel when watching the video? What's the emotion that someone should feel when watching the video that has just gone over a breakup?
Hope.
How can you make somebody feel hope? How easy is it?
I don't know. Hope. How do you make feel someone hope? Maybe with a smile? I don't know.
It's a little hard, right?
Hope.
But hope can be, maybe one way to make somebody feel hope is to make it seem like it's easier than you think.
Oh, maybe. Because the approach I was taking was like the emotion of like being sad and then the emotion of being happy, which is like the smiling side, But,
yeah, but that doesn't make me feel
hope.
Yeah.
You want the viewer to feel.
Makes me think that you went from texting somebody to, like, if I look at this, right? If I didn't read the title, it makes me think, okay, you went from texting to enjoying yourself?
No, yeah, it's confusing. No, I see it now and it's like, no, yeah, it was a bad decision, bad thumbnail.
By the way, I'm getting on a free consultation call with every single person who joins my free group and giving you personalized feedback just like this for your channel. Click the link in the description. Join my free school community. Join my free school community. Join my free school community.